Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you be coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Okay, share my video to your friends, share it to your family members. Who knows, might be helping a soul. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. All right, so guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my noodles. I'm a lover of noodles. I can eat noodles morning, afternoon, and night. I never get tired. And when I want to eat noodles, I want to enjoy my noodles. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how I make my noodles, my mouth watering noodles. This is not just noodles that you just want to imagine. This is a must try. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let me introduce you my ingredients for this recipe. And if you are watching me, you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, like my video guys, help to like my video, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so guys, let's get started. So the things I'll for like a minute. Okay, then I'll bring it down. So guys, I'm going to remove it now so we can start making our noodles. Alright. I like our noodles. So I'm going to cover this and let. So guys, I'll go in with my indomie seasoning.